Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have our first update for Google Chrome for the new year 2022. We were supposed to have Google Chrome now about every 4 weeks, but that was not possible due to the Christmas holiday season. And now we do have our new version. So Chrome 97 came out about an hour ago. It's starting to roll out to everybody. If you don't see it yet, it will eventually come to you in updates. Usually it does it automatically, but if you want to check, go on the upper right corner in the 3 dots, go into Help, and go about Google Chrome. You should be at 97.0.4692.71 as of today, January the 4th, 2021. So what's here to look at? Not a lot of stuff, but there's a few little things, and one of them is actually a problem that a lot of other companies and browsers have kind of said, yeah, that's not a good idea. So let's start with what's new. Well, first, if you are on if you go on a lot of websites, of course, and use Chrome, before you had to clear data kind of almost manually per site, and it was not necessarily the easiest way possible. Well, now you can actually clear data for each website that you visit. So if you clear data for example, if I would clear data for youtube.com at the top, I would clear data for everything youtube.com that is in here. So if it's in there multiple times, everything will be cleaned up and the data is removed for that website only. So that's making it a little easier now to actually clear the data from a website, basically. So you can click, you can clear data, and so on. So this makes it easier for removing the data that could be stored within your browser for some of these websites. The other thing is that if you use web apps, if you actually go on the web and use the functionalities that let you use web apps through Google Chrome, what's going to happen is that they're going to look a little more like apps now, a little less like a browser running an app. So these are improvements to try to make it feel like there's more apps. If you're using on Android, one of the things that on Android is now available is if you actually make the text bigger, it will be bigger per site. So that means you can actually adjust it per site. So on Android, that is a functionality that is added. For the rest, one of the controversies in here is a new API that lets the browser and the sites that you visit be able to check the keyboard for keystrokes. And that is kind of a no-no for a lot of companies. Firefox, Brave, a lot of the other browsers said, no, isn't that a way that you can actually make it easier to snoop on everybody? Because you can now see what they're typing without maybe their consent, or the controversy lies there is that an app can, or a website might be using key logging. Basically, it's a little bit what that is. Of course, Google defends itself, says that it's because of the different languages. Sometimes some apps might actually use this to detect different languages and make it a little better to understand what actually you're doing. So I don't know about that. It's part of what they're trying to do to improve things, but at the same time, a lot of privacy advocates are saying, yeah, but that's maybe not the best of ideas to do so. And of course, we've got our security updates, 37 of them. So even if you don't care about the new features, if you update to the latest Google Chrome, at least for security reasons, it's very important. We'll talk about the security side of Google Chrome in the next video. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.